Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate a Barclays credit card, login and setup process step by step clearly. First, take your new Barclays credit card and locate the activation instructions included in the envelope. Check the front and back of the card for any sticker that mentions activation or a website address. Make sure you have your card details ready, especially the last 4 digits and the security code if requested. Prepare a stable internet connection on your phone or computer to avoid interruptions during setup. Open your web browser and go to the official Barclays website for your country and card type. Click the Sign In or Login button at the top of the page. If you already have online banking, enter your username and password and proceed to your account. If you do not have online banking yet, choose Register, Enroll, or Create Account to start setup. Enter your personal information exactly as it appears on your Barclays account, such as name and date of birth. Provide the requested identification details, which may include your card number or account number. Create a strong password that is unique and not used on any other website. Set up security questions or security preferences so Barclays can verify you in the future. Confirm your email address and mobile number so you can receive verification codes. Complete the one-time passcode verification sent by SMS, email, or the Barclays app. After registration, return to the main page and log in with your new credentials. Once inside your account, find the section called Cards, Card Services, or Manage Cards. Select your new credit card from the list if you have more than one card. Look for an option that says Activate Card, Activate New Card, or Card Activation. Click the activation option and carefully follow the on-screen instructions. When asked, confirm the card number or the last 4 digits to make sure you selected the correct card. Set or confirm your card PIN if the system offers that option during activation. If activation requires a phone call, dial the number shown on the sticker and follow the automated prompts. During the call, enter the requested digits from your card and any verification information. Wait for the confirmation message that your card is activated successfully. Log back into your account and check that your card status shows as active or ready to use. Make a small test purchase or balance inquiry if you want to confirm the card works as expected. Enable alerts for purchases and payments in your settings for extra security and tracking. Store your card safely and memorize your PIN instead of writing it down anywhere. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.